show and a new house band. We hope that your dreams come true. Guess you needed things we couldn't give to you. Old friend, we will survive, not quite yet for puffs and a P45. You had to go on and make that call uninvited. You couldn't stay away, you couldn't fight it. Then we saw your face in the press and realized that for us it was over. Never mind, we'll find someone like you, Jonathan. We wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget us, we beg, we remember you said.
Introducing four men who like nothing more than a big one up their rear ends. It's my house band, four puts and a piano.
Sometimes it laughs in love and sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it laughs in love and sometimes it hurts instead.